Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Apple TV remote to control your TV volume. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to control their TV volume with their Apple TV remote. So how do you actually set that up? Now, if you're like me, I used to have to use two different remotes in order to actually control my TV, which seemed kind of inconvenient. And so the way that I actually fixed this was that I went into the settings tab right over here, and let me zoom in just a bit. And then I clicked on remotes and devices. So click on remotes and devices. And then from here, I scroll down to where it says volume control. So if you click on volume control, you're going to see a variety of different options here. Mine was initially turned off, meaning that I wasn't able to control my volume using my Apple TV remote. But once I set it to auto, now I was able to control my volume. So the two options here that might work for you is that auto might work, which allows you to control your volume, or HDMI might work to allow you to control your volume. Now, the really important thing is that once you set it to auto, if you actually click on the volume button here, it actually does increase or decrease the volume of my TV. However, there is no indicator to show that it's actually working. But I've actually tested this out though, and the volume does increase and decrease if you use the volume indicator listed or shown right over here. But just keep note that if you increase or decrease the volume, it doesn't show the actual volume indicator. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.